It's a very, very slight movement of Mahaprabhu. And they're saying, oh, he's alive. So Das Goswami saw all that, so Rupa Goswami wanted him to reveal it to Krishna's Kaviraj, and that's what we find, all of that experience, everything that Raghunath Das Goswami saw, and everything that he felt, and everything that he experienced in essence was given to Krishna's Kaviraj, and he wrote it in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Rupa Goswami knew all that, so he says, listen, you stay here in Radhakund. And when Raghunath Das came here, it was a very, very lonely place. There were very, very few sadhus here. But the place itself, just the place, the stan, the lila stan, is so powerful, had such, when Das Goswami saw Radhakund, it had such impact and power on his heart and mind that he spoke a verse in his Radhakund Astakam, verse number 5. He said this, listen, simply by living in this place, just by living in Radhakund, what will happen? You live here and you serve here. Just do some seva. Offer a ghee lamp to Radhakund. Offer some toffees to the Radhakund children. Chant some mala. Do prikrama. Give a donation to a Brahmin. Offer a flower to Radhakund. Pick a flower and say, Radharani, flower, it's for you. I pick a champak from the garden and I go, Radharani, it's from your garden. Here, a flower. A flower from the garden and a flower from my heart. So he's telling, if you just live here, and Rupa Goswami didn't write this about anywhere else. Rupa Goswami didn't write such a thing about Vrindavan, or Nandagram, or Barsana. And Raghunath Das Goswami, none of the Goswamis wrote this particular point about any Leela Stali in Vrindavan. So it's very, very significant, profound, meaningful, and important for all of us. By living and serving here in Radhakund, the creeper of Krishna Prem, Krishna Pranaya Lata, will sprout and produce flowers in the form of service to Ishwari Radha. Just see the power of Radhakund Dham.